Jennifer here. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite banana bread recipe, and it's a chocolate chip banana bread recipe. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. I'll have everything listed below, and let's get started. You're going to cream together your brown sugar and your butter. Make sure the butter is softened. To this, you're going to add some vanilla extract and your mashed banana. I love using bananas that you're about to throw away. I'm adding the eggs to this mixture, and we're going to mix it all together. Basically, all of your wet ingredients go together right now. And now you're going to mix your dry ingredients. So in here I have the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and so this is going to go in. And it's all going to mix together. This is just a very easy recipe. I'm adding the rest of the dry ingredients here. And now I'm going to add the chocolate chips, the best part about this bread. Oh, they are so good. Go ahead and take 2 loaf pans and spray them with baking spray. And you're going to fill them about 3/4 of the way full with the batter. And I cook these for about 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but make sure you check because every oven is different. You want them to be golden brown and an inserted toothpick to come out clean. In they go. And here they are. I love to use one, and then I always freeze one, and that's perfect for when you have company over, when you least expect them. It's delicious served with coffee. I hope you enjoy my favorite banana bread recipe, chocolate chip banana bread. See you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Bye!